What if I told you that your business as you know it might not even exist 5 years from now? Sounds extreme, right? But here's the thing. The Future of Jobs report in 2025 dropped a bombshell. They're saying 39% of skill sets will be completely transformed or obsolete within the next 5 years. And for entrepreneurs, this isn't just a job market problem, it's a how you do business problem. A major barrier to this transformation are skill gaps, with 63% of companies identifying them as a key concern for the next 5 years. It'd be pretty useful to know what those gaps are, wouldn't it? So you knew how to pivot in your business, right? Well, as you know, successful entrepreneurs identify the threats so they can uncover the opportunities. And here's your opportunity. I've been talking about Phase 3 AI for 2 years in my blog posts and my book, The Wolf is at the Door. Hit the link below to grab the free resources if you haven't already. In this video, I'm going to step you through what Phase 3 AI is, how it will reshape the economy, and the new rules for surviving and thriving in an AI-driven world that coincide with this new report and echo precisely what I've been teaching thousands in my new book. You see, Phase 3 AI is the adoption of AI agents. Phase 1 introduced us to chatbots, which we all use, right? Phase 2 brought reasoning capabilities. Now in Phase 3, we're looking at AI agents acting as digital employees or even CEOs autonomously managing marketing, sales, and social media operations with minimal oversight. Microsoft, Salesforce, OpenAI, Claude AI, and Google have all been aggressively pursuing the creation and now the deployment of AI agents in 2025. In fact, Google just launched Google Agent Space, a hub for pulling all of that data from various platforms like emails, documents, spreadsheets, and third-party apps together. The hurdle we've had to date is that we use different AI tools for different tasks. By bringing it into one hub and deploying AI agents in your business, it means the demand for certain service providers will drop. We've got a full breakdown on how AI agents work and how to get started with them on my blog. Just hit the link below and I'll send it over to you. AI agents will effectively make it easier for your clients to cut service providers, which means your services will need to evolve as their needs evolve. This is rule number 1 in my book, expect the unexpected. Adapting to AI doesn't just mean using it. It means learning how it will reshape your future. See the difference? Because how can you adapt to something that you don't truly understand? And that's why you'll notice in the Future of Jobs report key factors that will drive AI adoption and shifting consumer behavior that will impact your business. The first being broadening digital access, followed by rising cost of living, higher prices, and inflation. AI agents solve these problems. It means we can do more tasks in-house, resulting in less demand to hire out for service providers. We saw this after OpenAI launched. Fiverr reported a 21% drop in demand for digital freelancers within the first year. Which brings us to rule number 2 in my book, avoid cruel optimism. This is where we cling to a future that is unlikely or harmful. We've seen this from some AI gurus. They've repeated the phrase, AI won't replace you, but someone using it will. But what they're too afraid to state is that that someone could be your clients. Think about it. Just as you're using AI to reduce your costs, so are your clients. It would be cruel optimism to think otherwise. We've got to take the rose-colored glasses off and study the new landscape in detail to uncover what impacts it will have on you directly so you know how to pivot. To do that, you don't just require technological literacy as determined in this new report. You require analytical thinking, which is the most sought after skill among employers. This also extends to how you operate as a business leader. And here's where your opportunity is. AI is set to introduce a world of new problems that present an opportunity for you to solve and profit from. Consider the invention of the internet. We didn't have a billion-dollar cybersecurity business before it, did we? Analytical thinking requires that you break down complex problems into smaller components to understand the relationships. There is no bigger problem than how AI will impact your business within the next 5 years, is there? That's why, as you read The Wolf is at the Door, you will employ analytical and critical thinking to consider how your business will evolve within the next 12 months, which will open you up to new revenue streams and retire ones that are on the way out. The next core skills the report outlines that we require to adapt are resilience, flexibility, agility, creative thinking, motivation, and self-awareness. Resilience, because there will be major economic disruptions due to AI. Flexibility, as things are evolving fast. Creative thinking, because new problems will arise that will give you a first mover advantage. And motivation and self-awareness, so you avoid living in denial that these changes are occurring whether you want them to or not. And here's where I want you to listen closely. As you read The Wolf is at the Door, look for the hidden subtext that addresses all of the top 6 skills outlined in this report head on. So hit the link below to get the free resources, and I'll also send you 2 free chapters from the book because I'm going to prepare you for Phase 3 AI in a way that others just aren't.